Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use yes command in Linux. So yes command is part of GNU Core Utils package. So GNU Core Utils, as its name, is basically core utilities installed on most Linux distributions. And it contains lots of utilities. So this command, yes command, is one of the single purpose command. What I mean with that is just it does one thing, no additional options. So to use yes command, we can just type yes. So by default, it will print y indefinitely. So it will just print until we press Ctrl C. So it will exit. Okay. It has no option, but we can pass a string. For example, like we can do yes, and then we put, for example, hello, how do dojo. So it will print the string the same indefinitely. So this command can be used if you are, for example, like having a legacy script and you have to basically put yes multiple times and you are sure that the operation is safe, so you just want to get it done. It can be used with that. Or another sample to use this, for example, like if you want to stress test the disk, you can, for example, doing similar to this, but writing to the disk, for example, like to tmp hello.txt. So it will write the string to the file over and over again. So it will basically put a can test the IO of your disk. Maybe it's for one, it's not too much, but you can start seeing maybe just running multiple or just running like a large string, putting into a to the file. So for example, instead of hello to dojo, you can like maybe paste a few sentences, long sentences, so you can like every time it will be like large write IO to the disk. So that's it for the yes command. Oh, before we leave, let's check the manual page. So let's cancel this one. So let's see how large is the new file that we just create. So let's use the L-H. So in a few seconds, it already create 2.3 gigabytes. Okay, so if you have larger string, it will definitely provide a good stress test to your disk. Okay, then let's check the manual page of yes command. So let's try man yes. So as you can see that it only have the default option, which is help inversion. If we check info yes, it also show that it have help inversion. And let's check with yes help. So yeah, it will provide similar output, which basically said it has two options. And if we check version, we can see that this is the version of yes, which is 8.3.0, but this is not the specific version of yes command, but more of the GNU Core Utils version. So this is not a specific version of yes, but more of the GNU Core Utils versions. So that's it for yes command. I hope this you find this useful. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to How to Dojo channel and leave a comment down below. Put a comment, ask questions, or anything input for this channel. See you in the next video, and thank you again for watching this video.